Welcome. If you're looking to update your relationship status to engaged on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through every step you need to follow using the latest Facebook update. Let's get started and make your big announcement official. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken straight to your profile page. Here, you'll notice several tabs under your cover photo. Find and click on the one labeled About. This section is where all your personal information lives, and it's exactly where we need to be to update your relationship status. On the left side of the About page, you'll see a menu with different categories. Scroll down until you find Family and Relationships. Click on it, and you'll be able to see your current relationship details, if you have any set up. To add your new relationship status, look for the option that says, Add a Relationship Status. Click on it, and a new window will pop up with several options. From the drop-down menu, choose Engaged. You can also add the name of your fiancé or fiancée if you want, but that's totally optional. Once you've selected Engaged, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the window. That's it. Your profile will now proudly display your new relationship status for all your friends and family to see. Congratulations on your engagement. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your happy news with the world.